Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2012 Mercedes Benz SLK. So from any screen you've got Navi here, or if you knock this control, the rotary control, up to the top and select Navi, click on Navi, and you've got last destinations, enter destination, and you can use this rotary control to select enter destination there. So click on enter destination, enter address, enter point of interest, select on map, enter geo coordinates. So we want enter address, click on enter address. Then it's come up on city or postcode. Postcode's the easiest by far, and then we are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR, and we just need to go down, to numbers there, PR5, 4, and then back up to letters, J, S, PR5, 4JS, we select that. It's asking me for a street, or I can just go down to start guidance. It's same thing, putting a street in.
The route has been calculated.
That's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz SLK. At the moment there's no telephones connected, and it's on Nav, and as you can see here, pressing C and so on, it only seems to move around inside the Nav when it's in the Nav. So what you have to do, you have to come over here, click telephone. You're onto telephone, and all you can see here is you've got telephone there, connect device and call lists. If you click on telephone, import contacts, that's not what we want, and you don't really want to connect a device either, but you have to click on connect device. So click on there, and it's showing the phones that are actually paired. So you could connect it or force connection, but you highlight it, knock this lever over to the side, press it, and then you've got deauthorize. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz SLK 2012 model. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. But here, if it's on this screen, we just knock it up and select telephone. If it's on Navi, what you're going to have to do is click on telephone over here. But you see there, telephone's highlighted, nothing's showing up, and we've got connect device at the bottom. We knock the rotary control back towards us onto connect device, click connect device, and search for phones is highlighted at the top. So we click search for phone. Now we have to tell it to start search. So that's that done. We'll just watch out for it showing up on the screen and also on the phone. And there you go, it's found my phone. So highlight my phone, click on it. Bluetooth pairing request 776880. Does the passkey 776880 match? Yes, it does. Yes was already selected or highlighted. And do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? Yes, you do. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it there, that's it done. Now, I'll show you how to play music through the audio system in this 2012 Mercedes Benz SLK. Again, not quite as straightforward as you might think. So my phone's paired to the system. You can see there, Bluetooth connected. If I go through to music and put a record on, see the triangle there, the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. If I click on there, it's just showing iPhone. It's not giving me the Mercedes Benz as an option. And at this moment in time, you'll see Navi, audio, telephone and system. If there's any other things below the first heading, there's a little triangle pointing down which tells you there's more to the menu. What you have to do, just make sure this, we'll click back, I'll turn it down, I'll click play. So if you've got it set right, whatever audio is playing on your iPhone should come through the speakers here, but as I say, there's no option. So we want the top menu. We go click up towards the top menu, we highlight audio, still nothing showing. We click on audio, now it's come onto radio, but you've got a triangle there. So click back up to audio, click on audio again, then you get the other menu. It is confusing. We want Bluetooth audio, click on Bluetooth audio. No Bluetooth audio device connected. Connect last device. Yes. So that's connecting mine. If you wanted to connect another device, not the last one, then you just go down to BT audio in the left hand side, click on BT audio, Bluetooth audio device list, and then you'd select the one you want. But we'll just go back here now. So that's showing, it's playing this record. If I turn this up, I'll turn that down on here. If I turn the radio up, that's so I can turn it off quicker. So I'll turn the radio up here, turn the music up. So there you go, that's the audio playing from here. Now people ask me if you can play music from Amazon Prime, Spotify and any other stuff. And just to show that you can, if I go to my Amazon Prime, music, there you go, click music, Barry's favourites, and then what we're going to do, we'll do Money for Nothing. So that's playing, it's showing it's playing through here, it's turned up on here, we'll turn it up full. Oh, actually, we'll turn it down a little bit because the audio in this SLK is pretty good. But I think this is my favourite beginning to any record. Actually, I'll turn it up, and then I'll cut it to the bit that I want it to play, because I can only do a couple of seconds, otherwise I'll get copyrighted. So that's it. I'll also put a link in the description to Amazon Prime Music. At the moment, I think it's 3 months for 99p, or 3 months trial for 99p a month. Thanks for watching.